Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आयज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ही पावला आयज राष्ट्राचे मेरेन सिंदूर पावले आयज सुजा लोक व्हरली आमचे गांवची हॉटेलां मोडटा भायले येवन तीन पावटी एका वस्तान तीन पावटी मोडटा आनी आमचो एमएलए कांयच करिना ही असली दादागिरी आमच्या चेडवांक बायलांक भोवंक जायना रस्त्याचेर हे सगळे चिंता ती सगळी चेडवांक हो आसता तुमी 10 वाजता आनी पळयलो आयज आमकां तो कालांगूटच्याच वयता कालांगूट राखोंक जाय कालांगूट कांदोली राखोंक जाय आमी हे पळय रक्षास आहात
आज तुमचे तिगोय हिरो तीग जाणां हिरो म्हणल्यार पिक्चर चोवपाक चोडलो घेतलो आनी तिगोय हिरो पण म्हणटा एकठांय जाल्यार कालांगूट सारकें जाता
खरें म्हणशें जाल्यार कलंगूट काँग्रेसीची किंवा गोंयच्या काँग्रेसीची बीजेपीन सुपारी मिस्टर मायकल लोबोक दिल्ली आहा काबार करपाक लागून
आम्ही तिगूय बरोबर रावाल एकवटात रावाल आमचे कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी कामां सगळे बरोबर रावन एकवटात सगळ्यांक कामां करपाची ताचेर कांय करपाक गरज ना.
Then I said, I'm in the Congress for so long, but I was never treated the way a congressman should be treated. I was never given a post or anything, although I was there for the past 25 years. I was always trying to be the block president, but nobody allowed me to become the block president. Today also, like I was in somebody recommended my name for the district committee, there also like I was pulled out from there. So looking at the ill treatment that I had with the Congress, so I said, why not build up TMC party in Goa and be one of their office bearers so that I could carry on the flag of TMC all over Goa.
My joining is that I like their schemes which they have introduced, the schemes which are for the women, youth, and the youth too. That is the reason. So this should be fulfilled. That is only my request to the party.